I'm not sure that all of our community recognizes that 90% of our junior school students are involved in some kind of extracurricular activity after school. I'm here at the junior school in the cooking club that was just started this year by Ms. Bosna, and I would just love for you to tell our viewers a little bit about an overview of this program.
Perfect. So we have around 80 kids in the club. It's actually one of the biggest clubs on campus. It's brand new this year. And we've had a lot of success with the kids, so much success that we've actually had to break them up into smaller groups to accommodate all the kids to join. Right now we're cycling through 4 groups, so we do about 20 to 25 per recipe. Today we're making cookies and cream puppy chow, and the kids love it. It was actually one of our club members' suggestions, so we take some suggestions for recipes to make. And he's been asking me about it every day since the beginning of the school year when we'd be making his recipe, and today is the day.
So basically we're going to be cooking a famous recipe called cookies and cream puppy chow. There's white chocolate, Chex, rice Chex cereal, 8 Oreos finely crushed, and 1.5 cup of powdered sugar.
These guys are
Good.
I am learning a lot from these 3 here.
I've always loved cooking since I was a little kid. I've been cooking for the rest of my life. It's nice being here with a bunch of friends, meeting people, make more friends, and just baking and learning new stuff, ingredients, stuff like this, just learning new things.
Yum, yum, hum, yum, yum, bubble gum.